All right, everyone, I'm gonna show you how to make the most delicious tortillas. Only a few ingredients you need. Look how delicious these look. 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and we will give that a good whisk. Half of a cup of butter, 1 cup of water, and then we will begin mixing for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now we will place the dough in a bowl and cover for 30 minutes. Just going to squeeze off little balls. And I highly recommend this mat. It's perfect for sizing chart on each tortilla. This makes about 10 to 14 tortillas depending on your size. You can find this mat linked in my Amazon storefront. So my batch made 12 tortillas. Take the tortilla and press like this. Keep going in a circular motion